Okay, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to claim your 100k YouTube subscriber plaque. So I have reached 100k subscribers. There is a notification which shows up on your channel dashboard. It can take a few days for this to show up. So just be patient. Once you've reached 100k subscribers, you'll get the notification. Click claim reward here, or you can type in claim 100k subscriber YouTube. I'll put the link to this link in the description. This page tells you the criteria that's required to claim rewards and the region you need to be in. Anyway, check your eligibility, confirm your email address here. I've blanked my information out. Follow all the instructions, put your channel URL into that box like so, and so I'm eligible for this silver reward. They give you a redemption code which you put in here. And the next step for you to do is just input all of your information. So type in the channel name that's going to be on your reward, your channel name, and then you just have to head to checkout and then you put all of your information in. I'm going to blank this part out, but yeah, it's just your email address. It can be any email address, not the one which is registered to your AdSense, but any email, your address, and that's my order. And now it takes about 3 weeks. Well, it took 3 weeks for me for this to come through. So here's my unboxing.